Counting double-digit thousands back.
Hi there, so welcome to my channel. This is just a quick review of some USB cables that I purchased off Amazon. These I wanted to use them to go on when I'm traveling in my backpack and just have spare decent USB cables for battery charging and data connectivity. And the ones I purchased were the Voxon versions, and that's what these came in. The packaging is pretty minimalistic, as you can see, and if we open this up and you can have a look at the actual cables themselves, they're really nice thick casing cables, and what I really liked about them was the end tips. They come in a solid silver colour like this, and all pretty much tough plastic, as you can hear, and the cabling itself is of braided tough cable. They come in three sizes, two which are of 1 meter, and one is 2 meter and another is 4 meter. And I wanted to just sort of give you a quick look at what they are and what they look like, and I'm really impressed with the quality of these cables. They came in at £4.39 for 4 of them, so I think I got a really good deal on these ones, and hopefully you find that they are that come in handy for you as well. Thank you for watching my channel.